Okay, hi guys. Today I'm super excited to unbox this box because it's, I suppose it's my Itzy album, so let's find out. I ordered the newest album, It's Me, and their first album is Itzy. So yeah, let's see what we got. Okay, I just dropped my camera, but everything's alright, okay? It's gonna be okay. Yeah, it's Itzy. Okay, let's open this up. Oh no, I got the orange version. Oh my god. Like, I didn't really care about the versions, but if I would have to pick, I wouldn't pick the orange version for It's Me. Oh no. Well, I'm gonna look up which version this one is. But we're gonna unbox the It's Itzy one first. Okay, let's get rid of the plastic. Okay, here we got the album. It's Me. And back with the track list. Okay, let's flip through it. Oh, huh? Well, okay, so these supposed to be there. It's Itzy. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of the photo card first. I got rid of the photo card so we can go through it. One thing that I really like about this album is basically just the color. I'm really into blue, silver, purple, pink colors. So this is just beauty to me. They didn't have how do you say that? Like, they didn't have a actual album for Dalla, like their debut. Oh, I really like these popsicles. So cute. But yeah, so this is basically their first album with Itzy from last summer. Oh my god, they're so pretty, I swear. Can't relate. My bias is Yeji because I stand her at those like sorry, can't speak apparently. I stand her before Itzy, like when she participated in those shows where she had to perform, sing and dance. Like, I was shook back then. So I was really excited to hear that she that she was debuting, basically. And she also became the leader of Itzy. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Yeji, Clea. Ah, so nice. Okay, so here we got the things. Leah's things, Rujin's things. I love her hair, look at it. So sparkly and pink. Thanks. Jesus. I am sorry for butchering that. Okay, you know. It's itzy. Here we got songs with lyrics. Hey, hey, hey. Oh. 사랑합니다. 사랑해. Okay. Oh, it's weird. But yeah, that's the album. Love that. Then we got the photo cards, and the back already looks so pretty. Oh my god, I don't know. It's just my favorite colors. Okay. Okay, let's flip this one over first. I don't know, but I got Yeji. Oh, I'm so happy with that bottle. Oh, I can actually see. Wait, I took a double Yeji. What? No way. I actually didn't see that. I could read the names. Oh my god. It's like the best thing ever. No. Sorry, let me put that closer. Yeah. Okay, that's so nice. Okay, double Yechi for the photo cards. Let's unbox the It's Me album now and see what we got. Okay, so this is their latest comeback. It's Me, and like again, I got the orange version. Not my fave, but hey, that's alright. Let's get rid of the plastic. It's so funny though, because I was literally messaging my friends and she was saying, oh, I like this version the best. Like, I think it was the blue version. And then she said, I just like the orange version the most. I was like, yeah, I mean, I don't mind. I'm happy to receive them, you know. But yeah, I was saying I'll probably get the orange version, and I did. So here we have the big photo card with the members. Woo! Very nice. Huh? Let's put back for now. Okay, let me get rid of the photo cards first. I was expecting this to flip open, I don't know why. I like, obviously, wannabe, ting, and that's a no-no. But yeah, overall, I think it's a really good album. Like that ponytail, so nice. The shoulder dance girl. For people who don't know her, they know her by that. Okay, there's someone making noise outside, I'm sorry. I don't wanna be somebody, I just wanna be me, be me. Oh wow, that's like really fun. Like you put it in the middle, like the fangs. I like their like, I don't know, signature with the crown on their heads. It's kind of iconic for them right now. Cute. Oh wow, this is cool. It's like some kind of spread. Oh, I love this picture. This is a nice picture. Makes me wanna draw it. I love her ears, like really random, but I just do, okay. Ah, and they are on the green page. Okay, I see, I see. She's so tiny. Group photo. And we got the lyrics for the tracks. Bored. I love the little hair clip. 24 hours. Da, 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 da. Cute, cute. Yeah. Okay, and here we got the city. Okay, so it's a bit more simple. It's just like the tracks. Let's pop it back. Okay, let's get the photocards. So this time I can't read. Okay, good. So it's more of a surprise. Oh, Katerioli. That's really cute. Look at her. Oh, focus please. Thank you, camera. That's adorable. Okay, so this must be the single photo card. Oh, I got Leah. Nice. Again, like I just realized, yeah, you again, but now we got a different member, Leah. Focus please. Thank you. Oh, actually I'm pretty happy with my pose. Okay, let's grab everything. Okay, so this is what I got and I'm really happy with these albums. I'm looking forward to actually listening to them on my CD player and also putting the photo cards in my photo book holder, photocard book holder, photo card holder, binder. Wow, English, okay. Okay, but thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this, then please subscribe, leave a comment and like the video. And I'll see you next time. Okay.